Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is Unboxfinity, the channel where we have unlimited boxes and an infinite amount of time to open them. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Today we will be unboxing the Mac Mini and some accessories for the Mac Mini itself. So let's go ahead and get started right now. I definitely am super excited for this Mac Mini. It's got the Apple 4 chip, 16 gigs of memory, 256 gigabytes of SSD space, so pretty decent for what I paid for it. I think I paid around $600 ish. I want to say, I don't quite remember now because I did get it a little while ago, but I am excited to start using it. It's probably going to be my main, I guess, like I said, editing rig / setup for non-gaming activities. So I have my main gaming PC already. So yeah, as soon as you open the box, it's pretty much just sitting right there on top. Go ahead and take it out and set it on the table. Comes with power cable, of course. And that is everything. Let's go ahead and sort of clean up here so I don't start making a mess on the table. Anything else in this box? Nope. Alrighty. Cool. Let's go ahead and open the next thing. We have a little case, I guess, to cover it so that I don't get my fingerprints on it. I'm actually going to take off this side crown part now. So the power button's on the bottom there, nice and out of the way. I'll try to not get my fingerprints all over it, but that's probably not going to happen. Yep. No, this is okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and open the case now. So this is supposed to just essentially sit over top of it here so that it's essentially protected from any debris or, dust particles that could get on it, really anything at all that could potentially damage it. This case is meant to cover it so that it's got that protection from it. And it's still, once I get it on, you should see it should still have the back ports available through the silicone plastic once it's lined up perfectly. So everything can still be plugged in nice and easily. It should be. Shouldn't have to make any adjustments really. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, everything is sort of able to be plugged in through the silicone already on both sides. And then there's the bottom. And then lastly, for the accessories here, I'll open these quick first. Actually, these are some cables for the monitor. I think they're just USB-C to HDMI, I want to say. And there's just two of them, so I can run a little dual monitor setup. Yeah, so we've got a little USB to HDMI cables for the back here. So I'll plug, we'll figure it out. I'll make a different video later going into how I do the setup for all of the cable management and the actual setup part of all of this eventually. But for now, let's just go ahead and get everything open here. And there's the other cable. So we've got two of them. So I'm planning on doing the dual monitors like I said. And let's go ahead and open the aluminum alloy stand, which this is just so that the Mac Mini is able to not sit directly on the desk like this. As you can see, it would sit just kind of directly right there, which for airflow, it's probably best to give the fan space some room to breathe. So I preemptively purchased this just under the notion that it would probably give it some more air space. And some more airway to allow the PC to stay at better temperature, even though it'll probably run fine sitting on the desk regardless, but what the heck, why not? And it also looked nice. I can't get this open. boom. And I think we should just be able to set it on in here, just like so. There's our little mini PC. I mean, it's nothing super fancy or anything, but it's definitely, you know, it's definitely useful for as far as the accessories are concerned for what comes with it. So yeah, that is the Apple Mac Mini with the accessories. So if you guys did enjoy, or if you're looking to get your own Mac Mini and the accessories that you see in this video, as always, there will be links in the description down below to Amazon or the best second retailers to Amazon to get these products. So if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And that's all I have for this video today. Peace.